Let's upgrade our chili from regular ground beef to juicy tender steak. Watch this. These are all the ingredients you need for this Texas Steakhouse style chili. First, let's chop up our veggies. We're using some red bell pepper. We're gonna also use some red onion. And of course, you know we gotta have that garlic. Set all your chopped vegetables to the side and then grab that steak. Chop up 2.5 pounds of chuck roast into bite-sized pieces. Add some olive oil, and then for seasoning, use that Texas steak rub for that down-home Texas flavor for this chili. You can get that from UncleDibbz.com. Over medium-high heat, add your olive oil, then add your steak. We're just browning the steak on all sides. We're not cooking it all the way. Remove and set to the side. Add your veggies to the pot, and then for that smoky chili flavor, we're using that big chili style. Add 3 tablespoons of that, give everything a nice mix. Get the seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Now it's time to build those flavors. Add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, give everything a nice mix. Add 3 cups of beef broth, and then half a cup of beer. Bring everything to a boil, and then simmer on low for 1.5 hours. Now all you gotta do is grab a bowl and taste those steakhouse flavors in your own kitchen. Full recipe in the caption or visit the link in my bio. That's good, shorty.